Have you noticed how you suddenly start seeing the same word, car, or idea everywhere once you focus on it? Or how your brain instantly wakes up when you hear your name in a noisy room? That's not magic. That's your brain's Reticular Activating System, also called the RAS. In this video, we'll explain the Reticular Activating System in simple language, how it controls attention, alertness, and consciousness, and why it is extremely important in psychology and neuroscience. What is the Reticular Activating System? The Reticular Activating System is a network of neurons located in the brainstem. Its main job is to control alertness and wakefulness, decide what information your brain should focus on, filter unnecessary sensory information. In simple words, the RAS acts like a brain filter. It decides what enters your conscious awareness and what gets ignored. Location of the Reticular Activating System. The Reticular Activating System is located in the brainstem, extending from the medulla, pons, and midbrain, connected to the thalamus and cerebral cortex. Because of these connections, the RAS can influence almost the entire brain. How the RAS works. Every second, your brain receives millions of sensory signals from your eyes, ears, skin, and body. If your brain processed everything, you would feel overwhelmed. The RAS filters this information and asks, is this important? Is this dangerous? Does this match your goals? Only important information reaches your conscious mind. Example, you ignore background noise, but instantly notice someone calling your name. That's the RAS in action. Functions of the Reticular Activating System. The Reticular Activating System has several critical functions. 1. Attention and focus. Helps you concentrate on important tasks, plays a major role in selective attention. 2. Wakefulness and sleep. Controls the sleep-wake cycle, keeps you awake, alert, and conscious. 3. Consciousness. Maintains awareness of self and surroundings. Damage to the RAS can lead to coma. 4. Motivation and goal focus. Helps the brain notice things related to your goals, strongly linked to goal setting and productivity. RAS and psychology. In psychology, the RAS is important for understanding attention and perception, learning and memory, motivation and behavior, conscious awareness. It explains why we notice what we focus on and ignore the rest. This is why the RAS is often discussed in cognitive psychology. RAS and real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life examples. Buying a new phone and suddenly seeing it everywhere. Studying for an exam and noticing related terms around you. Hearing your name in a crowded room. Your brain didn't change the world, your RAS changed your focus. What happens if the RAS is damaged? Damage to the RAS can cause serious problems such as loss of consciousness, difficulty staying awake, poor attention and focus, coma, or altered mental states. This shows how essential the RAS is for survival. Importance in neuroscience and mental health. In neuroscience and mental health, the RAS is linked to ADHD and attention disorders, sleep disorders, depression and motivation issues, consciousness studies. Understanding the RAS helps psychologists explain why attention and awareness differ from person to person. To summarize, the RAS controls attention and alertness. It filters information and protects the brain from overload. It plays a key role in consciousness, learning, and motivation. What you focus on grows because your RAS makes it visible.